Now that we learned about DF envelope, the last thing that I want to teach you in this environment are these edit screen button and also utilities. So edit is Spherene Attributes. When you click on that, it opens a window like this, and you would have access to all the edits and all the attributes that you have already chosen. You can edit them or you can delete them and click on OK. For example, I can delete the DF envelope, OK, and it is already gone. It is suggested to refresh, and then we need to hide this, and then go for compute. So another case, imagine that you have a big shape and you choose a lot of attributes for that, but now you want to start from scratch. You want to do everything from zero. This is a clear button here. When you click on that, confirm clear all, okay, and all the attributes has been gone. You will have your structure here. And the last one is a help that you can click on that and contact support and have access to our documentation.